Hi, I'm Mary Gannon, and I'm here at the IVT Expo. I'm here with Martin Cuthbert from Webtec. Martin gave a great talk yesterday about maintenance in the hydraulic area. So we're going to talk a little bit about his talk and some of the technologies that Webtec makes that can kind of help with your maintenance and troubleshooting.
Absolutely, yeah. So we were talking yesterday about the different combinations of maintenance that you can use on a machine. So whether that's reactive maintenance, preventive, predictive, or proactive. And we've actually got 3 new products we brought out in the last few months, really, which can help in all those different areas. So the first one, this tool in the corner here, is a new portable data logger, a portable tester, 400, 800 litre versions of it. It's got a larger screen. You can switch between the different units, and allows you to carry out good reactive maintenance,
so
troubleshooting.
That's reactive maintenance.
That's reactive maintenance. Typically, you can use it also for pump testing. You could use it for pre-dispatch inspection, for setting up attachments and relief valves and the like. But we're proud of the fact that we've been making products like this since the 1970s, and this is the latest evolution of it that's come out in the last few months.
That looks very durable.
Very durable, yeah. We've got plenty of customers using these for 20 years. You know, it comes with a 5-year warranty as standard, but yeah, they just keep on going.
That's wonderful. All right.
And this also has a service indicator in it now as well, just to remind people that it's a calibrated instrument, and after a certain period of time, send it back and just get it checked. But other than that, they keep on going.
Wonderful. And this one is a new technology, you said?
Yeah, so this one is a portable data logger. It's kind of, as you can see, the sort of baby brother of the big HPM 7000. This one's got 12 CAN inputs into it and 2 analog inputs. Allows you to just capture all that data in one place, to have readings and graphs on screen. You can then take data out, a USB stick, you can then feed it into a computer and then analyze the data, or you can run it online. This is ideal for preventative maintenance because you could take a test and then you could compare the data maybe 3-6 months later and overlay the graphs and say how things
changed. Keep an eye on your machines.
Yeah, exactly. You could also use it for complex machine troubleshooting. So if you wanted to go and see particular interaction of a pump or a valve, see what was happening, you could then do a graph and analyze the data that way.
Excellent. And what kind of machines are these, the different sizes? Like where are they kind of being used on?
So these are very versatile tools. They could be used on all sorts of different hydraulic machines. The difference really with these is they got a few more functional needs. This one's got perhaps up to 50 channels, while this one's got the 14 channels. But in principle, you could use them across a whole range of different agricultural machinery, construction machinery, mining machinery, even onto industrial machinery. There's no limit really.
Okay, great.
And then if you move on from sort of instruments that you can use as a portable device to ones that you might use permanently, we've got here the CTA, which is a permanently installed sort of automotive standard turbine flow meter with J1939 outputs. This has been designed to really to withstand the most rugged environments. You can actually put it onto a mobile machine, and it could withstand salt spray, water, massive temperature differences, vibration. It's tested to IP69K, and really so that you could have continuous feedback.
And this is a fairly new product too.
This is a fairly new product as well. We're just about to be launching the milliamp version of this, so a 4 to 20 milliamp version as well. But this is really aimed at machinery manufacturers who want to get continuous feedback about the pump output on their machine.
Excellent. Any other new products we should be looking at here, Martin? Or is that's the gamut, right? That's
the gamut. So that kind of, you've got the data loggers for preventive maintenance. You've got more of the reactive tools for troubleshooting. You've got the condition monitoring. We've taken other products like these where customers keep on using them at a higher flow. So we brought out larger models. So where we used to have 50-gallon model, we've now gone up to the 70-gallon model.
Wonderful. Excellent. Well, I know that you guys are always releasing new products and technologies to help the industry stay, trouble-free. So thank you so much for your time today.
Okay, thank you very much.
And thanks for watching.